The Nexus 6.1 indicator, or binary options statistical signals indicator, is the very first MetaTrader indicator developed exclusively for binary options. The indicator uses a neural network to output the probability of market price direction in advance. No lag, no delay, no repaint. Quite frankly, this puts it in a class of its own. To build and develop this indicator, our research team computed all classical indicators they could think about: RSI, MACD, stochastic, fractals, support, and resistance, etc., with thousands of parameters each. MACD 347, MACD 11 12 19, MACD 100 200 400, you get my point. Then they ran all these against the past 5 years of Forex tick data. No need to say that this resulted in a huge table of over 500,000 columns for each indicator with each parameter, combined with 100 billion lines for each tick. That is a tick load of data, right? Get it? Tick load. Anyway, they then applied the latest algorithms in machine learning, and more specifically neural networks, in order to find repetitive patterns in the data. These patterns were then coded in MetaTrader so they can be compared with current live price feed, thus providing you with a predictive percentage of matching patterns, which ultimately results in trading signals. As you can see, calling it an indicator is a complete understatement. Now that the simplest explanation of the functionality and design is out of the way, we can show you a live example so you can visually see the indicator in action. In MetaTrader, the Nexus 6.1 indicator is displayed on the chart. For each expiry times is 5 minutes. The indicator displays the arrow and alert if you were to execute a binary option trade. The installation is basically plug and play, and takes less than 2 minutes. You get a lifetime license. The Nexus 6.1 indicator works around the clock, so you don't have to. As mentioned before, this is the only binary options indicator based on neural network technology. There is no lag, no delay, and no repaint.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And